Welcome. In this course, I'm going to show you 7 different recurring income models. There's nothing like recurring income where you make the sale once and then you get paid for as long as people stay a member of your program. All right, so before I go ahead and show you the 7 recurring income models, just provide you a couple of tips too. Okay, because you have to convince people to sign up and become a paid member and to basically pay you on a recurring basis, whether it be weekly or monthly or quarterly or annually, depending on your model. Okay, so let me just share a couple of tips with you. You can offer free gifts for signing up. Okay, so as an example, there's Sports Illustrated magazine, where a few years ago they offered people a free telephone. I believe it was designed to look like a football, and people, um, signed up for a Sports Illustrated subscription just to get that free gift. And what Sports Illustrated did was they um, they focused their marketing campaign on that free gift. They barely mentioned their issues or the subscription, their magazines. Okay, so that's an idea for you. If you want to get people to sign up, offer a free gift, something that they would be willing to subscribe to you just to get that free gift, and try to emphasize that free gift. Okay, so another method you could use to sign people up to your paid membership or whatever type of model, recurring income model you have, is to offer a trial. It could be a free trial for 7 days. It could be a $7 trial, and then you know after a week they'll get charged $30 uh, a month. But basically, try to offer some type of trial. You could try to get ideas from other membership sites or other recurring income models. Okay, so with that said, I look forward to teaching you and showing you recurring income models in the following 7 videos.